What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another 2023 SUBARU BRZ video. And as you guys could already see, I added a little bit of a surprise on the side of the car there. So I'm not going to get too much into it. It is just a decal, but damn, it makes the car look better in my opinion. So I'm going to put some clips in the video where me and my wife install it. Again, I don't know what it is with me and timing, but I guess we're just not friends. I didn't have my tripod at the time, so I had to record with one hand and couldn't really record the entire process. So let me explain what I did. So what I did first, like completely before I even bought the sticker, this is custom printed, by the way. It's custom made as well. Nothing too crazy, but it's custom in terms of I made it in Photoshop and then I decided to give it to someone to print. And this is how it turned out. So the sizing was perfect and everything, which was a big plus. I didn't think the sizing was going to be perfect, but wow, it's like literally perfect. So my plan originally was to line it up using this line here, and this, so the sticker, the bottom of the sticker would line up with that line, which it did. And then on top of that, this little shape here, I wanted to make sure this lines up with this line here, and it did. So everything turned out perfect, sizing, everything. And yeah, got some microfiber towels, and then I brought my tripod this time. So this is what I used here, waterless car wash. So first I sprayed this on the car, on the area that I need to put the sticker on, so down over here. So I sprayed it on and used a microfiber towel, so I had to wipe that off. And as you can already tell, I'm a huge fan of chemical guys. I really, you know, it's probably one of the only brands I trust, to be honest. So after all of that, we make sure that the sticker is lined up straight, and then we were able to put it on. So the way we put it on is we started from that end always. So we started from there, we put a piece on, and then started using the squeegee, and put it, we started like, you know, swiping the squeegee to the left here, and pulling the back side of the decal off. It's like the silver part of it. Nice. So that's what it looks like now. So I actually did this about 2 to 3 weeks ago. I wasn't able to record a video on it at the time. You guys already know, don't need to say it. Work has been taking up a lot of my time, but there she is, looking good, looking fresh. I think the sticker is just perfect. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. And if you have any questions about the BRZ in general, please let me know. I want to make a video on your questions if it's possible. That's it for now, you know, and I will be getting more mods, obviously, but for now, I love the way the car looks right now, so I'm probably not going to put too much mods on it just yet. But let me know what you guys think. You guys like it? So it's in Korean, in case you guys didn't know. So in Korean, the literal meaning for this is after difficulty comes delight. I'm not gonna say the whole thing in Korean there. I am studying Korean at the moment, so I got some big plans with that. But yeah, so I want to put something Korean on it because I love Korea, South Korea specifically. And yeah, man, like there's gonna be a little bit more Korean stuff on this car. Nothing crazy. I wanted to get a whole wrap, a whole livery on the car, like completely wrap it, but honestly I think that sticker is going to do for now, and I'll probably get that ceramic coating. But honestly I think I messed up with that because I don't know if ceramic coating can go on top of that sticker. So, and I know my videos are almost always the same, so that's why I want to spice it up for you guys. I might even make some desktop videos, like on my computer, you know, talk about some cars, or you know, we'll do some stuff, because like I don't want to always make the same videos for you guys. But when it comes to mods, this is always what the video is going to look like. I'm going to walk around the car for you guys, show you guys from all angles what it looks like. And yeah, I'll also put some screenshots on this video. I took some nice rolling night shots with the car. It wasn't perfect, but it was good enough, so I figured I might as well share it with you guys. If you like this video, please share it with your friends, share it with everyone. I definitely want to grow my channel. I'm almost at 200 subs, and I thank you guys for that, but I would love to grow bigger. Also, I have a gaming channel, so I will be putting some content on that as well, which means BRZ videos are going to be on hold for a little bit. I also want to get my hands on, oh yeah, there's an auto show coming. I'm actually going to maybe talk about some cars from the auto show for you guys. But for now, that's it. Stay tuned. Peace out, guys. Hope you enjoyed.